Good morning, students. Today I will teach to you second question of exercise 10.4. Okay. Now in this question is given that if two equal parts of a circle intersect within the circle. So now what is the two equal parts? AB and CD intersect at a point T. Prove that the segment of one part are equal to corresponding segment of the other part. So now card of one segment is what? AB and its corresponding segment is what? BT. Okay, A both are equal and CT and BT are corresponding card. Okay, segment of card. So these are also equal. So what is a given? Two equal parts. So now two equal parts is what? AB equals to CD, and they intersect at a point T. So T is a point of intersection. And now construction is what? Draw the OX perpendicular on AB and OY perpendicular on CD. Okay. Now prove that first we prove in a triangle OXT and OYT are congruent. Then by CP XT is equal to YT हम प्रूव करेंगे. ठीक है, तो CP के थ्रू ये जो है दोनों इक्वल हो जाएगा. ओके, इन a triangle OXT, in a triangle OXT and triangle OYT. Okay, what is given? OX is a perpendicular. So now therefore angle OXT and angle OYT, and that is a right angle. और ये क्यों? by construction. Okay, by construction. Okay, and now another OT is coming. So now OT is equal to OT, and that is a hypotenuse and it is a common. Okay, and it is a common. And next is a OX is equal to OY. Now third OX is equal to OY, and why? Because equal cards are equidistant from its center, and this is a side. What is it right here? Equal cards are equidistant from center. Okay, so now by RSS criteria what we can say? Triangle OXT is congruent of triangle OYT by RHS. Okay, now next by CPCD what we can say? By CPCD XT is equal to YT. Okay, by CPCD. Okay, and we know that given that AB is equal to CD, it is a given because they two equal parts. So now if we divided by AB by 2 and CD by 2, so AB by 2 is what? AX, and BCD half is what? DY. और ये क्यों? क्योंकि draw perpendicular from the center, it's divide the parts into equal part. Therefore AX or BX both are equal and DY और CY both are equal. और चूंकि ये दोनों इक्वल कार्ड्स हैं इसलिए इनका कार्ड्स का AX पार्ट जो होगा वो DY के इक्वल होगा. ओके. Now this is the, suppose that this equation is 1 and this is equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2. So what do you write? AX plus XT is equals to DY plus Y. Okay. DY. So now what do you write here? AD equals to B. अच्छा, one thing I forget to prove. To prove क्या करना है वो मैं यहाँ पर भूल गया था. तो आप लोग क्या करोगे यहाँ पे to proof लिख लोगे. ठीक है ना. तो proof में क्या आपको दिखाना है कि to prove not in the construction, in the place of constructions. Here you write here AD is equal to CD. तो प्रूफ में तो प्रूफ करके आप लोग लिख लीजिएगा AD जो है वो प्रूफ करना है क्या DT के इक्वल. ओके. ADT के इक्वल और CT जो है वो BT के. ओके. AD जो है DT के इक्वल और CT जो है वो BD के इक्वल. तो now AD is equal to DT. Okay. Or now AB is equal to, this is also AB, that is suppose that this is the second equation, first A या A इक्वेशन हमने बना लिया. ठीक है. और इसको B इक्वेशन बना लिया. ठीक है. और AB कार्ड में से A इक्वेशन में से B इक्वेशन को हमने माइनस कर दिया. Now what we write? AB minus AD लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से और CD minus DT. ओके. तो AB में से जो है AD पार्ट पूरा निकल जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा BT. तो now it is a BT. और CD में से DT पार्ट तो now it is a CT. So now this part is proved and this part is proved. That means कि segment of one card are equal to the corresponding segment of other card. Now it is a proof. Okay. Now student, question 3 and 4 for a homework. Question 3 and question 4 it is for homework. You solve self and if any problem then you ask on my WhatsApp number 9450722761. Okay. And now question 5. Question 5 is that the three girls Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing a circle of radius 5 cm drawn in a park. Reshma throw a ball to Salma and Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. The distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 cm. So now this is a Reshma, Salma, Mandeep which are sitting on a circle of radius 5 cm. The distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 cm and Salma to Mandeep is also 6 cm. Okay. Now What is the distance between Resma and Mandir? What is the distance between Resma and Mandir? To find RM distance. Okay. To find the RM distance. And what is the given? Given रेडियस R जो कि OR है, OS भी वही है और OM भी वही है और it is a given to the 5 cm. Okay, it is a 5 cm. ये तीनों रेडियस हैं और तीनों ये इक्वल. ओके, and RS, the distance between Resma and Salma and Mandir, it is given 6 cm. Okay, and that is a 5 cm. And to find RM, the distance between Resma and Mandir. Okay, to first now solution. First, in a triangle ROS और SOM को हम कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करेंगे और कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करने के बाद जो है हम इस एंगल को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ठीक है, तो नाउ इन फर्स्ट इन ट्रायंगल ROS and triangle SOM, here RO is equal to MO. Okay, या इसको MOS that is the same thing, MOS. So RO is equal to MO and this is a side and it is a radius. Okay, ये क्या है, रेडियस है इसलिए दोनों इक्वल है. Now after this OS equals to OS, this is also radius इसलिए, and RF SR equals to SM, this is also side and it is the given, ये दोनों 6. Okay, therefore triangle ROS is congruent of triangle MOS by SS criteria. Okay, and after that what we can say, angle ROS is equal to angle MOS by CPC. And after that we prove that this angle is equal. तो for इस एंगल को इक्वल प्रूफ करने के लिए हमको कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेना होगा, जो है ये ट्रायंगल ORP and OMP. So now in triangle ROP and triangle MOP. Okay, now this is the RO is equal to MO because it is a radius. Okay, and angle ROS, अभी जस्ट एक बार प्रूफ किया है ना, एंगल ROS के लिए ROP के लिए that is the same thing and that is MOP, that is also same thing and this is the angle and it just have a proof, just have a proof. Okay, and OP is equal to OP and that is side and it is a common. Okay. Okay, therefore triangle ROP is congruent of triangle MOP by SAS. Okay, by CPCT what you can say, angle OPR is equal to angle OPM by CPCT. And now both angles are collinear pair और इसी को हम लेट x माने, लेट x, तो इन दोनों एंगल का सम क्या होगा, एंगल OPR प्लस एंगल OPM equals to 180 degree. That means x plus x, that is 180 degree. This implies that 2x equals to 180 degree. That means x equals to 90. Okay, that means कि angle OPR and angle OPM both are 90 degree. That means perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular. Then what is, तो अगर ये लाइन जो है इस कार्ड को परपेंडिकुलर बना रहा है तो ये क्या करेगा, कार्ड को डिवाइड कर देगा. ठीक है, तो ये क्या कर देगा, कार्ड को डिवाइड करेगा ही, मतलब कि ये जो है आरपी जो है वो एमपी के इक्वल है और इसको हम बाय सीपीसीटी के भी थ्रू कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो नाउ और जो है इसमें बाय सीपीसीटी वन मोर थिंग यू राइट हियर, आरपी इज इक्वल टू एमपी, ओके, बाय सीपीसीटी. ओके, ये भी जो है इक्वल होगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट अब जो है हम इसमें राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इन ट्रायंगल POR या ROP, in triangle ROP, here P is 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem, that is RO square equals to OP square plus RP या PR square. Okay, तो RO is what given, 5 square, and let OP equals to x. Okay, so now x square plus PR is now so PR equals to 25 minus x square equals to PR square. Okay, now here this is OP को x माना था, तो ये OS क्या है, 5 सेंटीमीटर, क्योंकि रेडियस है, तो ये डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा, 5 minus x. तो now in a triangle, okay, in a triangle RPS, now in triangle RPS we apply the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore what we write, R S square equals to PS square plus PS square plus RP, yeah, PR square. Okay, so now what is RS, that is the 6 square, and PS is what, PS is 5 minus x whole square plus PR square. Okay, so now students, now PR is sent to this side. Okay, and you apply the 36 a square minus b square, that is a 25 plus x square minus PR square, okay, 36 minus 25 minus x square minus plus 10x equals to PR square की वैल्यू वहां से इक्वेशन 1 से जो है ले लेंगे, तो नाउ इट इज 25 minus x square, okay, 20 x square will be cancelled, okay, and now what is this, that is 1 plus 10x equals to 25. So now 11 is goes to this side, 10x, 25 minus 1, that is a 14, okay, so ये x equals to by 10, that is a 1.4 centimeter, okay, so x is 1.4 centimeter, to put the value of 1.4 centimeter in equation 1 and you find the PR. PR equals to 25 minus 1.4 का square, that is 25, और 1.4 का square जो होगा वो उसको आप फाइंड आउट कर लोगे, ठीक है। Now students, that is a 1.96, okay, and its difference is equal to 23.04, okay, 23.04, and PR equals to square root of 23.04, that is a 4.8, and its unit is a meter. Here by mistake I write here all the unit in a meters, okay, so you write a meter, not a centimeter, and PR is a 4.8, so RM equals to twice into PR, so that is 2 into 4.8, that is a 9.6 meter. So distance between Reshma and Sarma, Reshma and Mandeep is a 9.6 centimeter. Thank you.